Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant shapes. First, ensure your laminated dough is properly chilled and ready to be worked with. You will need a clean, lightly floured surface, a rolling pin, and a sharp knife or pastry wheel. Working efficiently is key to maintaining the butter layers and achieving that signature flaky texture. Let's begin by preparing our dough for cutting. To start, gently roll your chilled croissant dough into a large rectangle, aiming for a thickness of about 3 to 5 millimeters. This ensures consistent layers. Next, trim the edges to create a neat rectangle, which helps in cutting uniform shapes. Now, using a ruler and a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut your dough into triangles. A good size is a base of about 8 to 10 centimeters and a length of 18 to 23 centimeters. Now for the fun part, rolling. Take one dough triangle and place it on your work surface with the wide base facing you. Make a small cut about 1 centimeter deep in the center of the base. This helps create the classic crescent shape. Gently stretch the two bottom corners of the base outwards. Then, starting from the base, roll the dough towards the point, applying gentle, even pressure. Avoid rolling too tightly to allow for proper expansion. Once rolled, make sure the pointed tip of the croissant is securely tucked underneath the main body. This prevents it from unraveling during baking. If desired, gently bend the rolled croissant into a classic crescent shape. Place your shaped croissants on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space to expand. Finally, let them proof at room temperature for about 1 hour, or until they appear visibly puffy and have nearly doubled in size, before baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.